The 7th generation Mustang already stirs the soul, but the RTR Spec 5 turns it into a street-legal statement. Under the hood sits Ford's 5.0-liter Coyote 8-cylinder, now breathing through a 3.0-liter Whipple Stage 2 supercharger, an HD race intercooler, and a free-flowing cat back exhaust. The result is a claimed 870-plus horsepower and 660 pound-feet of torque, enough to eclipse Ford's own GTD on sheer output, and enough to make you grin before you even thumb the starter. RTR did not stop at power. The chassis gets the brand's tactical performance setup with 30 way-adjustable front coilovers and rear dampers, height-adjustable springs, and front and rear adjustable sway bars. They lowered the ride height without giving up articulation, so the car still moves with the road instead of skittering over it. Bodywork goes full theater with RTR's first complete kit. Composite front and rear fenders with integrated cooling vents, rocker panels, and front bumper extensions. Carbon fiber pieces, front splitter, rocker splitters, rear quarter splitters, and front and rear wake towers sharpen the look and clean up airflow. Up front, the signature upper grille with LED intakes pairs with a new lower grille. Out back, an RTR decklid spoiler and aero corners finish the job. Paint to sample and the extended color palette. Let owners make it theirs. Michelin Pilot Sport 4 S tires sit on 20-inch RTR aero, 5 Evo forged wheels, 10.5 inches wide in front and 11 inches in the rear, putting real tire on real power. 6-piston front and 4-piston rear, Brembo brakes with 2-piece front rotors bring the speed back to zero with confidence. Inside, Recaro sport seats with cool gray bolsters, black suede inner supports, and ribbed inserts feel like they were made for late-night canyon runs. You also get the electronic drift brake, a dash plaque signed by Vaughn Gittin Jr., and an RTR performance shift knob that reminds you this car was built by people who actually drive. RTR vehicles will build 50 units for 2026. Pricing starts at $159,999, which includes a base Mustang GT with the 401A Group and Performance package. Buyers can choose a 6-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic. It is a lot of money, but it is also a lot of Mustang, louder, quicker, sharper, and proudly personal. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.